the, the next thing, it is simplification. How to do a simplification means by using a method called V board mass. So it is vinculum brackets of division, it is multiplication, addition, and the last is subtraction. So to simplify any expression, we should follow a procedure called as V board mass. And this V means vinculum, B means brackets, O means of, D means division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. So what is vinculum? It is a bar. It is a bar. Okay. So suppose if it is like this, 4 plus 3 bar. So first we will calculate the value of this. In total expression we will give priority to this only. Okay. So that is 4 plus 3 is 7. Suppose if we